Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret.
Let's start lesson 004 AutoCAD tools, drafting settings, object snap, apparent intersection. Switch to AutoCAD. Menu tools and then drafting settings. Option object snap, tool, apparent intersection. These tools can snap apparent intersection of two entities. From menu tools, you can choose command drafting settings and then select card object snap. You can switch on tool apparent intersection and then press button OK. You can draw a line. Left click on the icon line and then left click in the drawing area